Hi friends, I am Shantan. You are watching Sahitya Info and welcome to the Sahitya Info. Today I want to discuss about 2021 question paper of BHU and let's begin without further delay. So, first question is match the list. So, answer is 1. Why? Because Shakespeare wrote The Taming of the Shrew, which was published in 1594, Murder in Cathedral 1935 by T.S. Eliot, Emperor Jones 1921 by Eugene O'Neill, and Riders to the Sea 1904. Next question, I.A. Richards, psychological critic, T.S. Eliot, impersonal theory of poetry, Matthew Arnold, poetry as criticism of life, and Aristotle, poetics. Aristotle wrote poetics. So, this answer you can first choose first is right answer. Next question, uh, what is the period of circulation of the 18th century periodical The Tatler? You know very well, Tatler started from 1709 to 1711, and 1711 a Spectator was started and by uh, Addison and Steele. Next question, who among the following romantic poets was the last to be born and the first to be die? So you know very well John Keats was born in 1792 and Wordsworth 1720 and Byron 1788 and P.B. Shelley 1795. So John Keats the answer. Question number 5. Beeping in view their years of birth, which option puts following poets in correct sequence? So you know Lord Alfred Tennyson, born in 1809, and Browning, born in 1812, and Arnold, born in 1822. So answer is 1, B, A, C. Next question. How many consonants are possible in a final consonant cluster in English? So answer is 3. Next question, who expressed aptly the sense of Victorian predominant predicament in the following words? Between two worlds, one dead and other powerless to be born. This was said by Arnold. Next question, which of the following novels is not written by Raja Rao? Then answer is The Last Labyrinth. The Last Labyrinth was written by Arun Joshi, which was published in 1993, and The Countess, The Chester and His Moves, published in 1988, Kanthapura 1938, The Serpent and the Rope 1960. All three were written by Raja Rao. Last Labyrinth is the correct answer, which was written by Arun Joshi. Let's start next question. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as region R. So assertion A, Drake Walcott is a Trinidadian born writer. This is incorrect, and in if we are talking about this question is wrong. So we will discuss next question. Which one of the following is the opinion of Aristotle? So Aristotle, correct answer is 1. Poetry is less important. Next question, the phrase the Parda Nasin is the Urdu phrase, which means correct answer is B. Arms and the Man. Arms and the Man, published in 1894. And next one, Man and Superman 1903. Next, Pygmalion 1913 and St. John 1923. So correct answer is B. You remember all dates because in this trend all dates are required. Now list 1 with list 2. So Coleridge born 1722 and Wordsworth 1720, Shelley 1792 and Byron 1788. V.S. Naipaul ancestors migrated from India in 19th century. This is correct, but that is why V.S. Naipaul never visited India. This was incorrect because V.S. Naipaul visited India in first time 1962 and second time 2015. So answer is A is correct, but we are correct answer is A and B only. Next question, arrange the following in the correct sequence in the ascending order of their birth. So you know Toru Dutt born in 1856 to 1827, and next Rabindranath Tagore born 1861 to 1941, and next Aurobindo 1872 to 1950, and next Sarojini Naidu born in 1829 and died in 1949. So that's the correct answer is B and A, B, C, D, A.